see. And I saw a horse hitched up to the stable where my horse ought to be.
And if you ain't listening,
And
you
I
need to
said,
be.
little wifey, explain this thing to me. Why's there a horse hitched up to the fence where my horse ought to be? She says, you fool, you drunk-eyed fool. He's a blinder, can't you see? Oh, that's just a milk cow my mama give to me. Well, I've traveled around this whole wide world 100 times or more. Had a saddle on a milk cow I've never seen before. Well, the other night as I come home, I was as drunk as I could be. And I saw some britches laying on the floor mine ought to be. And I says, little wifey, explain this thing to me. Why's these britches laying on the floor mine ought to be? She says, you fool, you drunk-eyed fool. It's your blinder, can't you see? Well, that's just a little floor mat my mama give to me. Well, I've traveled around this whole world and there's 100 times or more. And galluses on a floor mat I ain't never seen before. That's archaic for suspenders. Well, the other night as I come home, I was so drunk I couldn't see. And I saw some boots at the foot of the bed where my boots ought to be. And I says, little wifey, let's explain this thing to me. Why's there boots at the foot of the bed where my boots ought to be? She says, you fool, drunk-eyed fool. It's her blinder, can't you see? Why, that's just some little flower pots my mama give to me. Well, I've traveled this whole world over, it's 100 times or more. And flower pots with bootlaces on it ain't never seen before. Well, the other night as I come home, I was so drunk I couldn't see. And I saw a hat hanging up on the peg where mine ought to be. And I said, little wifey, let's explain this thing to me. Why's there a hat hanging on the peg where mine ought to be? She says, you fool, drunk-eyed fool. It's her blinder, can't you see? Wow, that's just a little chamber pot my mama gave to me. Well, I've traveled around this whole wide world 100 times. And a John B. Stetson chamber pot I ain't never seen before. Well, it's the other night as I come home, I was drunk I couldn't see. And I saw a head laying on the pillar where mine ought to be. And I says, little wifey, explain this thing to me. Why is there head laying on the pillar where mine ought to be? She says, you fool, drunk-eyed fool. It's her blinder, can't you see? Well, that's just a cabbage head my mama's gift to me. Well, I've traveled this whole wide over, it's 100 times or more. And some whiskers on a cabbage head I ain't never seen before. That's like a mustache. A lot of people stop right here. Well, the other night, as I come home, I was feeling pretty damn drunk. And I saw some hands on my wife's titties where mine ought to be. And I says, what? Please explain this thing to me. Why is there hands on your titties where mine ought to be? She says, you fool, drunk-eyed fool. It's her blinder, can't you see? Wow, this is just a brand new brassiere my mama's gift to me. I travel around this whole wide world, it's 100 times more. I had a wedding ring on a brassiere. Hell, I ain't never seen that before. I saw a pecker in my wife's mouth where mine ought to be. And I said, Wifey, explain this thing to me. And she said,